and welcome back to my channel. I am back again.
And your battery is low, and it's showing low battery, 5%.
Restart. Say.
But that thing will keep on popping.
Go.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Like it good? Yes, go.
Hey my lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with you for another video, which is an unboxing video. So I ordered a few more makeup products, and these are basically my holy grail products. Like this video includes a few of them, and yes, a few new products based on suggestions, and I follow a few bloggers, so they have been raving about certain brushes. So yeah, so it's like a mix up kind of a unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoy, and please keep watching. So my first product for today is the Sigma F35 tapered highlighter brush, and let me just show you how it looks. So if you look at it, oh my god, just look at this. This is so beautiful, guys, because this is so densely packed. You see what I'm talking about? So this one is so good when it comes to highlighting the bridge of your nose and your cheekbones. So basically you can just take the product and just concentrate on the areas, and this is, I think, very nice for beginners. So yeah, and it's extremely soft, guys. See, this is what I mean. This is like so soft. So excited to try it. So this was my first. The second is the blending brush. This is like I think this is for the eyeshadow blending. This is the E25 Sigma brush. Again, a very beautiful densely packed brush, if you can see, and it's very soft, guys. Like, it's amazingly soft, and I'm sure the result will be amazing. The next one is Sigma E30. This is the pencil brush. Wow, again, very nice, very dense, and I think this will be very good for when you usually people have a lot of issue, at least I have a lot of problem when you want to pick that glitter up and just put it in the corner of your eyes. So I think for that this brush will be really amazing, and I think you can also use it on the brow bone, just to, like, when you add that glitter and highlight to your brow bone. So my next product is the Bobbi Brown Art Stick. So now I have heard so much about this, guys, that I just could not help not ordering
it. So yeah, I mean, you have to cut this. Okay, after the little laughter break, let me just get back to the video.
Okay, so this is the Bobbi Brown Art Stick in electric pink. This, now I, as a person, who know me, they know I'm pink crazy.
Pink.
So be it my makeup or my accessories or anything that I have has to have a pink. In fact, if you are seeing the K, which is there right behind me, it's again in pink. So yes, I think it's just giving it away that I'm a pink crazy person. So electric pink has to be there in my collection. So this was the first shade that I went for, and I'm just swatching it and showing it to you guys. So you see this is what I'm talking about, guys. Just look at the shade. It is so amazing. So this is this one, guys. I'm showing it to you. This is Bobbi Brown's Art Stick. This is in electric pink. If you can, yeah, it's right here. This is electric pink, and this is the Bobbi Brown Art Stick. So this is my first shade, had to be. And let's see what I have next. So this is in the shade Rose Brown. It's number 1. And oh wow, okay, so this is more on the chocolatey brown side. I'm gonna swatch it right here and show it to you. There you go. So this is how it looks after swatching. So it's a very chocolatey brown with a, I think, with a rose undertone. That is what it looks like. Let me just show you the crayon. This is the shade, guys, Rose Brown. So this was when it comes to Bobbi Brown Art Sticks. The next I have is actually a new brush that I haven't tried, but I wanted to because I really trust this brand a lot when it comes to brushes and beauty blenders and stuff. In fact, my holy grail beauty blender is from this brand. So I'm talking about Real Techniques. This is a very famous brand internationally, and they are very affordable. They are not that expensive. So I'm just going to open this and show it to you. This is the Real Techniques finish brush, which is a retractable kabuki brush. So let me just show it to you.
Oh my god. I have to love this because it's in pink. I love the packaging, guys. So
This is the retractable brush. Just look at this. Wow. So this is what it looks like, and this is again super soft, guys. I'm going to just go closer and show it to you. So it's super soft, you know. So I think this will be very good when it comes to blending your face powders or even contouring for that matter, because you know this is like, it's angled and it's soft and it's again very dense. So you know, just contouring or basically just blending over, because it's a kabuki brush, and kabuki brushes, you know, like work wonders for your face makeup. So yeah, and it comes with a cover like this, so you can, you know, when you're done using it, you can just pull it and then just cover it this way. So yeah, so this is basically very nice. This keeps it protected and it's awesome for traveling. Next is the holy grail beauty blender I'm talking about, guys. So this is the Real Techniques beauty blender. This is, you know, this comes in a teardrop shape, and I have to talk about this basically. So you know, there are a lot of beauty blenders that are out in the market, and you know, there is the original beauty blender, which is like the most talked about. But let's be honest, everyone cannot afford the original beauty blender, you know. So for that, there is a replacement, and that is this very beauty blender, guys. I kid you not, does the same thing, the same amount of work that an original beauty blender does. You know, like there is nothing different. And I'm saying this out of my own experience, because you know, I've tried the original beauty blender and I have tried these too, and trust me, I keep going back to these, and they are so pocket friendly. And especially, I would say it's very good for beginners, you know, because it just blends your base so very well. So if you're not very familiar and you're not a professional and you do not really know how to, you know, blend your makeup well, this will do the trick for you, girl. This has to be, you know, the best beauty blender. So this is my holy grail beauty blender, after the original beauty blender, of course. But there you go again. I will link all my products below in the description box. So that is it today for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you have any comments, suggestions for more videos, and if you want to do a Q&A or just talk about life, ask me questions, or want me to do a makeup tutorial or just a styling video, or whatever it is that you wish to see me shoot and, you know, get it for you, please do let me know. And please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. I will be waiting for it. So, bye bye, love you guys.